Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a pure Barre membership. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've provided a few different ways to do this. So the first way is to review your contract. So check the terms and conditions of your membership agreement. This will provide information on cancellation policies, including any notice period or fees. And from there, reach out to your Pure Barre studio where you signed up. You can usually find contact information on their website or your membership documents. Some studios may require a written notice, while others might allow cancellations over the phone or via email. Then from there, submit a cancellation request. So provide any necessary details such as your membership number and reason for cancellation. Follow the studio's instructions on how to formally submit your cancellation request. And then request a confirmation of your cancellation in writing. This will help ensure that you have proof of the cancellation in case of any future disputes. And then from there, if you have prepaid for your membership or have any outstanding payments, inquire about any potential refunds or adjustments as well. And also make sure to give the required notice period to avoid additional charges. If you have any difficulties, you may also contact Pure Barre's corporate customer service for more assistance.